Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for pecan pie or pecan. No matter how you pronounce it, it's still delicious. So let's get started. What you'll need is a 9-inch pre-made or homemade pie crust, and lay it on a cookie sheet lined with foil. You'll need 1 cup of light corn syrup, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 1/3 cups of honey roasted chopped pecans, 1 tablespoon of corn starch, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 and take your pecans, and you're going to be pouring it into the pie shell. You're going to spread them out. Next, you're going to combine all the other ingredients with the sugar mixture. So I'm going to be putting in the salt, the vanilla, the melted butter, the eggs, and the light corn syrup. And you're just going to whisk this until it's all combined. So once you have it combined, you're going to pour the mixture over the pecans. And you're gently going to place foil on top. And you're going to be putting this into the oven for 30 minutes. Then remove the cover and cook it another 25 to 30 minutes until the center is stiff. So I just took the pie out of the oven and I'm letting it cool. And here you have it, my delicious pecan pie. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.